Taxpayers would pick up half the tab for Bears' Lakefront Stadium development. The Chicago Bears are announcing a $4.6 billion plan for a new enclosed stadium and lakefront improvements, with taxpayers funding half of it. The Bears face significant skepticism from various parties. The stadium costs are estimated at $3.2 billion, with an additional $1.4 billion for infrastructure enhancements. The Bears plan to contribute $2.3 billion, partially through NFL financing. The plan also involves $2.3 billion in public financing and refinancing existing debt from previous stadium projects for the Bears and White Sox. Taxpayers would fund infrastructure and around $1 billion in new borrowing. The Bears seek legislative approval for new Illinois Sports Facilities Authority bonds to manage the debt for projects at Soldier Field and Guaranteed Rate Field. Some borrowing will refinance existing debt, with a 40-year repayment plan also needing approval. The repayment plan would not increase the existing 2% hotel tax allocated to the Illinois Sports Facilities Authority. The plan's details will be outlined in a news conference focusing on the new domed stadium and open spaces. Currently, the 2% hotel tax is insufficient for covering existing debts, leaving taxpayers owing $629 million for previous renovations at Soldier Field and Guaranteed Rate Field. Legislative leaders have shown little enthusiasm for increasing the borrowing limit. The city's Lakefront Protection Ordinance, emphasizing public use, raises legal questions about the Bears' construction plans. Friends of the Parks opposes a private team stadium on public land, having previously thwarted similar plans by George Lucas. Governor J.B. Pritzker, still awaiting a briefing on the plans, has expressed interest but prioritized other state issues. Civic Federation's president stresses the need for transparent cost and revenue projections to avoid financial mishaps like previous sports facility fundings. Recent experiences, like the scaled-back Bally's Casino project, underline the risks of public funding in large-scale developments. Economists argue against using public funds for the stadium, suggesting they could be better utilized elsewhere. The Bears' journey to this proposal included a failed agreement on property taxes in Arlington Heights, shifting focus back to a downtown location. Kevin Warren, the team president, emphasizes the strategic importance of downtown. The potential Lakefront Stadium could drive residential and retail growth, offsetting some economic challenges faced by downtown Chicago. However, unresolved disputes in Arlington Heights raise concerns about the decision-making process behind the purchase.